Do do do.
Olivia's kind of getting tired of this.
Wow. That stirrup is really long because now you look tiny from this side. Well, not tiny, but you look small. Whoops. Paris. Here, camera hog. Are you going to post this on Facebook for Aunt Jessie to see? Or on YouTube? Paris, what the heck are you doing? And they're attempting to jump the jump. 3 feet. Bounce. Jump. Oh, and she clears one, and the other, and the third. They've done it. Oh, Paris.